to Vantastic 2021. NZ Racing, we've got a huge lineup tonight. Let's have a look at them.
Lucky Heat 13. You know what? I've actually got quite a good feeling about tonight's races, and I'm really loving this view of Turn 2 here in the booth. Got a great line of sight, and I know things are going to go very smoothly tonight. Team owner and driver Warpig76 has not spared any cost at all on his front wheels. They are super wide, mate, on that Squanch Cruiser, and this van is going to handle so well.
Also, back on the track and driving Sheila is DJ Triple J. The builder is Power Drive Racing. This is weighing 96 grams, has black fire tyres.
Hey, we finally get to see a Maestro on Shorty. Awesome. It's called the Low One. It's driven by Mick Van Emeren for Big Pair Racing, and I reckon you can do all right tonight. Good luck.
And the last van in tonight's heat is from the builder Mocon Competition. The name of the van is That 70s Van. The driver is Samu Keiko Nasuka. I hope I haven't butchered your name, mate.
Well, here we go. Heat 13. It's going to be unlucky for two of these vans. So, choose your favourite and let's get to the start gate.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a situation, we have a tie, and guess what this means?
Sudden death.
Lucky Heat 13 has produced one race, first over the line advances to the semis, no second chance. It's Triple J versus Samakako. Good luck, gentlemen.
There you go. First across the line was DJ Triple J driving for Power Drive Racing. And Sama Keiko Nasuka from Mocon Competition. Better luck next time. We'll see you on the track soon.
Give it up for Warpig 76, ladies and gentlemen. Driving the Squanch Cruiser, he's off to the semis.
All right, NZ, let's wrap up this heat. Heat 1, what are your thoughts, mate?
They were all pretty even out of turn 1, but those Blackfire tyres may have gripped just a little too much, I think. Triple J just went straight into the sidewall. And if you look carefully, it looks like the yellow Maestro just gave him a nice little nudge as he went past.
Quite a good run there by the other 3 teams. Let's look at race 2.
Now it's kicking off. Triple J takes out the Maestro in turn 1, finishes the race, Warpig follows him, and then Mocon Competition, he comes down at full noise, straight into the front of Warpig 76. Use your brakes!
These guys driving flat stick across the line. Let's look at race 3.
Simakako's decision not to use brakes has actually paid off. He's just buried the boot and gone. However, Mick Van Emerson's had a massive stack just below the booth here. I hope that van's okay.
If you look at that again, he's almost taken out the lighting system. Okay, race 4.
Now we're having some fun. Mocon has rolled, so has Big Pair Racing. Warpig 76 has taken the high road, come down, given Triple J a little nudge, which has actually helped him get some points to go into sudden death.
I'll just replay that again. That's a really nice manoeuvre by those 2 teams. It's amazing that they can see the gap and they take the opportunity and cross the line. Nice driving.
I can honestly say that I'm a little bit upset that Mocon Competition and Big Pair Racing are leaving us so soon. You guys had some amazing skills and great looking vans, but the best part were your crashes. You kept us well entertained.
That's a wrap on Heat 13. Thanks again, NZ, for your insightful commentary in the booth here. Until next time, we'll both catch you later.